The N410 is Domino's latest N-series product. It's a compact LED digital inkjet press. And we're launching now because feedback we got from converters was that they wanted a low-risk, affordable entry point into digital printing, and the N410 offers that. Our solution bridges that gap between lesser-known brands and lesser-known products and high-end, bigger footprints, higher price point products. It enables Domino to offer customers access to the digital market with a renowned global service and support network. It's been designed and built so that there isn't any external control cabinets needed, and everything's built into the press, and therefore it fits into really tight workspaces and can be really compact. The compact footprint really helps with setup time. It dramatically reduces it, and you can be up and running printing jobs within a couple of days. The speed and resolution of the press mean that it enables users to get high resolution, high quality, sale-ready jobs quickly. If you're producing 5,000 labels or 50,000 labels from short to medium run length. The N410 is Domino's first full LED cure press. It will use a lot less energy and therefore will produce a lot less heat, and will extend the life of the components within the press because of that. Overall, it produces a press that has a lower operating cost for the user. It creates a product that's more sustainable and energy efficient. And also, given the benefits of digital printing, it will enable you to access more flexibility around digital jobs that you can do that you couldn't previously, which will in turn mean less waste and better return on investment. The N410 utilises Sunrise DFE, which is Domino's digital front end. And Sunrise is really good at speeding up file processing, and that enables people to spend more time actually printing and less time waiting for jobs. There is a job cost calculator, and that means that you can quote jobs more precisely, and that enables you to protect your margins, and this enables you to make smarter production decisions on the spot. Media Manager stores print settings for each material that you use. Normally when you would change substrates and medias, it might be quite time consuming to recalibrate all your settings, but Media Manager simplifies all of that and stores all those settings, which means at the touch of a button, you've got changeovers to substrates done really quickly. Domino have a global team of on-ground support engineers in over 120 countries, and they can provide help to our customers whenever needed, with the main focus on minimising downtime. Domino has a press for every converter at every stage, from hybrids to entry-level or to high-end, high-volume production. The N410 is perfect for stepping into digital, adding capacity, or bringing in outsourced work.